Howdy, this is Josh from C2C your prescription dive mask specialist located in Houston, Texas. And I want to take a moment and show you all the Scubapro Synergy Mini Dive Mask with some prescription lenses that we have installed. So the Synergy Mini is based on the Synergy 2 design, but it is a good amount smaller. So this is great for older children or adults with very small faces. To give you guys an example, here is the Synergy 2 mask, and you can kind of see how much bigger the Synergy 2 is, how much further the skirt goes up and down, and it's also a good bit wider. So the Synergy Mini, we don't currently list it on our website, but it is available through us. You can give us a call or shoot us a message, or if you already have a Synergy Mini and you want to send us the mask that lens is installed, that's not a problem. A couple features about it. It does include Scubapro's new comfort strap system, so the straps just buckle on and off. They don't pull your hair like the older style silicone straps. These kind of help keep it in place. These little kind of rubber sticky lines on the strap. Those are really cool. This is their snorkel holder, which is actually built into the strap. The Synergy Mini has the double rib skirt style of the Synergy Twin, the Synergy 2 Twin. It also is available in the same colors. For the most part, this is the black and blue. There's also a pink and a possibly yellow, and we keep most of the colors on hand for anyone who does want to order these. These are single vision lenses, so these correct for distance only, including correction for stigmatism and prism. And again, I'll just give you guys a couple shots of the mask for you to look at. Our prescription lenses are tempered glass. You can actually see how the camera is focusing through the prescription lens here. They're not plastic, they're not polycarbonate, they're guaranteed for the life of the mask. Anything that's safe to use on a traditional dive mask is safe to use on our dive mask. C-buffs, C-drops, anything along those lines. We just ask that you not burn out the lenses to prevent fogging. You don't need to do that, we do it before it installs. If you have any questions, comment below. You can contact us from the website chat, or you can call us. We also answer emails at info@c2crx.com.